Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious tomato soup for fat loss. This simple recipe focuses on fresh ingredients to support your health goals. Tomatoes are naturally low in calories and packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants. Enjoying this soup can help you feel full and satisfied, making it an excellent choice for managing your weight effectively. It's a warm, comforting meal that fits perfectly into a balanced eating plan. To begin, you'll need about 2 pounds of fresh, ripe tomatoes, which are the star of our soup. Also, have on hand 4 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth to keep things light and healthy. Don't forget 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic for a flavorful base. A touch of olive oil, along with your favorite herbs like basil and oregano, will complete your ingredient list. First, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté your chopped onion and minced garlic until they are soft and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, add your diced tomatoes and vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for about 20 minutes or until the tomatoes are very tender. Finally, blend until smooth and season with salt and pepper. To maximize the fat loss benefits, avoid adding high-calorie ingredients like heavy cream or too much cheese. Instead, consider a small swirl of plain Greek yogurt for creaminess if desired. This soup is fantastic as a light lunch or a satisfying dinner. Remember, portion control is crucial, so aim for about 1.5 cups per serving. Enjoy this flavorful, nutrient-dense soup as part of your healthy eating journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.